We're going for 3 sets of 20. The next move is the good old deadlift. I do not know what is going on in the fitness industry where people are giving the deadlift such a hard time. This move right here for me puts it all together. It allows me to use my whole body together. It allows me to stabilize my traps, my rhomboids, my lower back, all these moves with a decent amount of load. Functionally, if done properly, if you do it wrong, you're gonna hurt yourself. But this allows me to put a decent load on my whole body while it's all moving in one, I guess, conjunction, we could say. It's all moving together. That's the point I'm trying to say. Definitely throwing deadlifts. I don't care what you are training for. Throwing them deadlift, guys. They go together like peanut butter and jelly.